This is my 68 Ford Thunderbird. Put about $2,000 into the engine. It's a 429 Thunderjet. Did some fixing up on the alignment. She was really dropped in the back. She's got a much better profile now than it did. Paid $1,800 for it and fixing her up. Runs like a demon right now. She's a really good looking car. Needs a little work on the interior, a little work on the outside. It's not going to take much to fix her up, man. She's a neat looking little car, man. I like it the best because nobody knows what kind of car it is. Everybody thinks it's a Dodge or a GTO. This is a 1968 Ford Thunderbird. Kept almost everything original. It's a neat little car to drive, man. It's a lot of fun. Interior is clean. It's not bad. Most of everything's original. I need a little work. Seats are a little torn. Other than that, not too bad. If you guys enjoyed looking at her, she's beautiful, man. Thanks.